What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to reset the oil life and clear the oil change due message on a 2018 Dodge Journey. Like I said, it's an 18 Journey in the video, but it will be the same on several different years. So when you're in need of an oil change, when you start the vehicle, you'll get a message that says oil change due. This one's already been reset, so it's not showing the message. We're just going to go through the demonstration. So what we're going to do is turn the ignition to the run position, and then within 10 seconds, we're going to press the gas pedal all the way to the floor 3 times. So let's run through it. Without pressing the brake, we're going to press this 2 times. Again, without pressing the brake. Then we'll come down here. 1, 2, 3. And turn the vehicle off. And that's it. That should clear that message. If you find that you're unsuccessful, you may need to adjust your speed a little bit. Try going a little slower or a little faster. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.